Insurance exam practice exam questions and answers. Fixed amount. If the beneficiary of a life insurance policy wants $1,000 per month for as long as the money lasts, they should choose the settlement option. Variable life. A client who wants life insurance protection and cash values that fluctuate in value based upon the performance of a separate account should purchase nursing home and home-based care. Adding a comprehensive long-term care rider to a life insurance policy will provide the insured with which of the following coverages? Insured. The person upon whose life an annuity is based is known as the group life insurance. Which of the following would not be considered to be ordinary life insurance? The amount and frequency of future losses are unknown. The transfer of risk to an insurance company is an effective risk management technique when they are not meant to replace the full value of a person's earnings. Individuals must have fully insured status. The disability must be expected to last at least 12 months or to result in death. Except, individuals must meet the own job definition of total disability. All of the following are true regarding Social Security disability income benefits except the account value. In the case of a variable annuity sold to a senior citizen in this state for which the owner has directed that the premium be invested in the mutual funds underlying the contract during the 30-day cancellation period, cancellation during that period entitles the owner to a refund of. They are purchased by those who are worried about outliving their savings. They are not suitable as short-term investments. They may be used as a life insurance settlement option. All of the following are true regarding annuities. Renewable. Which type of term life insurance has a level face amount but a premium that increases each year as the insured gets older? Interest only. Which of the following life insurance settlement options enables the beneficiary to conserve the proceeds of a life insurance policy? They are not guaranteed. They are legally defined as a return of premium and are not taxable. They are paid out of the insurer's accumulated surplus. All of the following are true regarding dividends paid by a mutual life insurance company. 26. On group life insurance, dependent children may be covered up to age. They may pay dividends out of their accumulated surplus. They are known as mutual insurers. The IRS has ruled that any dividends paid are a tax-free return of premium except they are owned by their stockholders. All of the following are true regarding participating life insurers. A buy-sell agreement. If a corporation and a shareholder enter into an agreement that requires the corporation to buy the shareholder's shares upon his or her death, they have entered into. The employer is the policy owner and the beneficiary death benefits are payable to the employer tax-free. The employee is the insured. All of the following are true regarding key person life insurance. Large numbers. The greater the number of similar exposure units insured, the easier it will be to predict future claims based upon the law of pure or straight life. Which of the following annuity benefit payment options would generate the highest monthly payments to the contract owner upon annuitization? It allows the policyholder to purchase more insurance coverage without a physical exam. Option dates that are not exercised are lost, but future option dates may be available. Coverage may be increased on specified future option dates except the premiums charged for the additional coverage is based upon the insured's original age. All of the following are true about the guaranteed insurability rider. after the policy has been in effect for a specified period of time. The incontestability clause in a life insurance policy protects the insured by preventing an insurer from denying a claim. 3. Where replacement is involved, every life insurer that uses an agent in a life insurance or annuity sale shall send to the existing life insurer a written communication advising of the replacement within ______ working days of the date the application was received. Extended term cash surrender reduced paid up. All of following are required non-forfeiture options or provisions on a cash value life insurance policy. Military aviation war, except accidents. Group life insurance policies may exclude all of the following. It will accumulate in the usual manner. If a whole life policy is being kept in force by use of the waiver of premium rider, what happens to the policy owner's cash value? Dressing and eating. Under a long-term care rider, which of the following are considered to be activities of daily living? Absolute assignment. When making a life settlement, a policy owner will permanently transfer all rights of ownership in the policy to another party by making a N40. Under Social Security, being fully insured entitles a worker and family to full benefits. To achieve fully insured status, an individual must attain at least ______ quarters of coverage. Modified, ordinary, limited pay, single premium. List in order from the lowest annual premium to the highest. Proof of insurability is not required. The employee may convert to any policy issued by the group insurer, except term death during the conversion period is covered by the group policy ___________________________________________________________________________________________________________________ All of the following are true regarding group life conversion. Change the beneficiary, assign or transfer ownership in the policy, take a loan. The owner of a life insurance policy may do all of the following. Non-standard. Which risk classification will have the highest premium? Taxable as income to the employee. The premium that an employer pays for group life insurance coverage for an employee that exceeds $50,000 in coverage is applicant. Which of the following completes the application for life insurance? Paid up additions 1-year term cash. All of the following are dividend options on a participating life insurance policy. Insured. The person upon whose life a life insurance policy is based is known as the reduced paid up. When a policy owner uses the cash value in their policy to buy a lesser amount of permanent life insurance, they have exercised which non-forfeiture option?